Hi guys, this is Arnav from YouTube. Today we are talk about that Earth's internal heat and magnetic field. That these two topics only we see that. First is in the primordial side we see that Earth as a now time we have heats of around 6,000 degrees Celsius in the internal core. There 3 billion years ago it has a twice. It's a twice some amount of heat is present in the earth that heat is make the earth's total now earth presentations today earth presentation that heat makes the um, gives our earth this is important to our to create our earth and the ancient the billions of years ago mostly radioactive materials may be present radioactive heat may be present in that mostly half-life material may be present in the like plutonium, uranium, thorium. Like this material may be present in the present in the billions of years ago. Around 3 billion years ago, we see that mostly this radioactive material emits the heaviest heat, and the time sorry I will tell you that earth's heat also earth's heat is in the core maybe 6,000 degrees celsius and the pressure may be 360 gpa in the core the I told you that in the 3 billion years ago two times the heat two times percentage heat it is twice we see that in that time they make the commodities this type of rare material nowadays it's very rare in producing of this because high energy we want to make that material mm, mostly um, heat is how heat is producing from the our, inside and outside of the earth also we the heat is conventional method we the heat is removed from our earth because the tectonic plates mid-ocean reaches a very important role placed in the heat, heat convection method heat convectionally heat losses for our country because mm, it has a in the Washington it has a low mantle that means 6 kilometer thick only there are that's why reason there are large of volcanoes is present that method the convection method they lose mostly heat most of the heats and the heat how it average heat loss of the earth is 4.42 what is that 4.42 into 10 to the power of 13 watts that means 44.2 trillion watts heat loss our earth lost in average we see that 87 million watt per meter per square meter it lost our earth next one is magnetic field the source of magnetic field is core dynamo. Core is dynamically rotated the rare material that makes the currents from the mantle and the core. This makes the magnetic field. The structure, we see that the magnetic field is mostly as the dipole structure. It is near to the our pole side of the Earth, gravitational pole side of the Earth also. It is slightly tilt from our normal Earth pole because of the some reasons because of the some uneven rotation uneven movements of the earth's core materials its strength is average in the surface level we see that the magnetic field strength is 3.05 into 10 to the power of minus 5 tesla we see that it's a main important disease earth is losing 10 6% of the magnetic field strength because per century the 2000 we see that I did not know that approximately I told that 7 to 10 to the power of minus 3 I think this last day sorry I told that in wrong answer I did not do the exact in the 2000, 2000 range 2000 range accounts Next is tell that the bow shocks. Mostly the solar wind is coming fast with the supersonic speed that attacks our earth and make it our atmosphere into strip away our solar atmosphere. Solar wind strip our atmosphere also. The magnetic field saves our earth because it is very better to run our earth atmosphere placed in our earth. The day side we see that only 10 percentage of radius magnetic field is in percentage there. The night side we see that our earth there is hundreds of kilometers it's a magnetic field is present in there because the solar wind is heavily attacking the earth the every second of the earth. The plasma sphere is present in approximately 10 energy plasma sphere. What is present in plasma sphere? Plasma sphere is a low energy particle rotates with the earth with rotates with the earth the some trapped by our magnetic sphere in the ring. Next one is ring currents in the our magnetic field. Where is it ring current in the magnetic where it is in around 3 to 7 earth radial it is present. It's ready inner magnetic field is present in the ring currents. Mostly ions are moving westward and electrons are moving eastward. Van Allen, next one is Van Allen radiation belt. In the belt, mostly high energy radiation particles are present in the trapped by our magnetic field. High energy particles are moved with the uh, moved by our rotated transfer rotated. Most important, why it is important our magnetic field? Because the solar wind attacking our atmosphere to say otherwise strip our atmosphere uh, from earth. Next is protecting ozone from high energy particles to high energy particles. Mm, creating auroras, we see that sometimes we see the auroras, the northern and the southern lights, we see that because high energy particle attacking the polar side we see the lights from the it moves very closely to our earth, that time we see the auroras. Okay, bye bye, see you. This is Arnold from YouTube. Today video is over. We see that today heat internal heat and magnetic field. We will see in the next video. Bye bye, see you. This is another from YouTube.